All right, so the next video is going to be about Google Drive. Google Drive is awesome. I absolutely love Google Drive. In fact, I run pretty much my entire business through Google Drive apps. You can see I'm using Google Drive right now for these notes. The spreadsheets are in Google Drive. We have an entire training course on how to use Google Drive for SEO and do some amazing things using Google's own properties to outrank or to rank pretty much anything, to rank websites, to rank the actual Google Drive files. You can get away with so much crazy stuff too because they're Google properties. And Google Sites is another site we can use that integrates with our RYS Academy methods. And it's just insane. So if you guys really want to learn how to use Google and its own properties to just do some incredibly effective SEO stuff, go check out RYS Academy. But that said, I love Google Drive. I run my day-to-day operations through Google Drive. I mean, practically everything. So I absolutely love it, and we can use it for SEO. What we're going to teach inside of IFTTT SEO Academy is very basic in comparison to what we teach in RYS Academy. However, it's still effective, okay? And it's just another syndication point, somewhere that we can syndicate our content to, whether we're syndicating blog content or YouTube videos or whatever, okay? And so I'm going to show you how to do that right now and set it up properly. So let's go back over to our Vernon Dunn profile, and I'm just going to go into the Gmail, and you'll see the app menu up here. If we click on that, you can see that there should be Google Drive icon right here. We're going to click on that, and this will be the first time logging into this, so I'm just going to exit out of that. And you can look at the PDF and stuff if you're not familiar with Drive. Probably most of you are already. But first thing I want to do is just come over here and go to New and click on Folder. And this is what I'm going to name the folder after. I just need to remember what the name of the folder is, because that's the same like what we did with one of the other properties where we named a folder. We want to name this folder something that we're going to remember, so that when we're creating recipes, we know which folder to tag or to add the content to when we're inside of IFTTT. So in this case, I'm just going to say updates again. It could be videos, it could be blog posts, it could be news, it could be whatever you want. I'm just going to use updates. So I'm going to click create. By the way, you can get rid of this if you don't care about that PDF. Just click the trash button. And now this is an updates folder, and the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that that's set to public. So you can either right click and you can click on share, or you can just click on it to make sure it's highlighted and click on the icon up here. And either way, it doesn't matter. And from here you'd click on the advanced menu, and then you'll see that it says private, only I can access or only you can access. You want to click change and set this to public on the web and click save. And make sure, by the way, when you do that, that it's only can view. You don't want people to be able to edit this. You only want people to be able to view it, okay? And then click save and then click done. Now again, you could do that from either clicking the share icon up here, or you could right click on it and click on share here, and it'll do the same thing. And then from here you can change, you can either go click advanced, or you could click on this right here and make sure that it's anyone on the internet can find and view. You just want to make sure it's on public, okay? And then from that's pretty much all we have to do to set up Drive, is just make sure that you've set the folder to public, and then you want to go ahead and grab the public folder URL, okay? So again, we can just click on the get link or whatever. This is one URL that you can copy. So let me press Control C. And there's actually several versions or variations of the URL. That's one of them. Another version of it would be clicking on the sharing settings. Again, there's just multiple ways to get to the same location. But if you go to advanced, you can grab this URL. They all resolve to the same location, okay? So just copy the URL and go put that in the spreadsheet. And obviously your username and password are going to be the same. So we can copy these, paste those in, and the username is going to be your Gmail address. Okay, so that's really all we need to do to set up Google Drive. In the next video, we'll talk about OneNote.